Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to open it up without breaking any tabs. I couldn't find anything online to how to open it up. I had to figure it out on my own. First of all, remove the screws from the bottom. The very bottom, there's 9 screws. And then what I did at the bottom, there's these rectangular, let's see if I don't break this, some rectangular holes, those right there, all the way around, where you have to pry with a plastic. In this case I didn't use it, but I used this flathead screwdriver, and this part right here started coming off loose as you start prying one by one, pushing it towards the locking area. See this locking area here? That way you don't damage these. You have to push it in so that unlatches from these little tabs right in here. See, right there. This one right here and there. So you come from the bottom and you push it out while you're at the same time pulling the bottom plate down to unlock it. You have to do this carefully all the way around, one at a time, very careful, and it starts opening up. Once that opens up, this piece right here starts coming up loose on one side, and that piece on the top as well. It started loosening it up, and carefully, same thing. Just to show you the tabs on these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right here by my thumb. Oh, and these 2 are over here too. So that came off very easy.